Hello there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Unlinked. Unlinked is a great app. It allows you to install all your APKs in one location where you can go to download and install the apps that you're needing to install. Okay, let's jump right into it. First of all, you're going to need Downloader. If you don't have Downloader, you're going to need to install it. Not going to show you how to install Downloader in this video, but I do have a YouTube video on how to install Downloader, so go out and check that out. So we're going to hold the home button for 1 or 2 seconds, go to apps, then we're going to go down to open Downloader and click OK. Then in the text widget, we're going to type in 2, 3, 4, 7, 5, 3. This is the downloader code for Unlinked. Click it, click go, and it's going to start redirecting, downloading Unlinked. And we just want to click install once it finished downloading. And once it's done installing, just click done and then delete and delete. Now you can hit the home button to get out, and we're going to go to My Fire TV settings, My Fire TV, and go to developer options, install unknown apps, and you see Unlinked is turned off, so we want to turn that on. And that's pretty much how you install it. And we're going to launch it here. Go to hold the home button for 1 or 2 seconds, go to apps, and then go down and launch Unlinked. So you'll see here now it's asking for a new library, and this is where you have the code to a library. You can enter this and get access to all the APKs that you need to install. Text message me and I will give you my library for you to install and get access to my APKs. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.